everybody, this is my friend Tom. He is a farrier, and a pretty darn good one at that. He's building a horseshoe from scratch in 3 minutes and 20 seconds on this video, you can see, in preparation for our Sealy trip, because everybody knows that rides sleds, you have to have a good set of shoes on your sled.
What are you doing?
Catch you later, man. I'll see you Monday. That's hilarious.
He's taking care of the threading. The decording.
Get rid of all those little tags on it.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow! Sharp.
So you what?
Well, you got your drop shoes right there. Oh, yeah, that's up too.
What's that there?
1/2 by 1 1/4 inch.
That is a big
Drop
piece
shoe?
of steel.
Came off the horse couple weeks ago.
Came off a horse in Big Sky?
No, just one in Belgrade. That I shoot.
Oh, okay.
I can't remember how. Man, I should have wrote that down. Mother.
Every time you make a shoe, you're like, I should put that down.
It's not as big as it looks. He's got tiny hands. Huh? Nothing. Nothing at all.
I didn't really prioritize videoing very much of the trip up to Sealy because we left in a rush and really wanted to hurry and get up and get on the snow before noon. So this is about the extent of any photos or videos that I took of the trip up to Sealy Lake. So, but we did get on the snow in time, and you'll see here in a little bit that it is a wonderful experience.
I feel like there was more snow in the ditches last year.
Really?
Yeah.
It's looking pretty good. I would.
I hope I didn't hurt my sled.
It's on video. I decided to run into a tree. I think I got lucky though. I think I might have.
The right one.
Yeah, I came into it at about, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 miles an hour. Down into this.
I thought it was good.
Okay.
You first.
Okay. Holy shit, that's steep. Oh my god. That was awesome.
That's about all there is for this video. I don't really know how to end it, so I hope you enjoyed it. There's great snow up there in Sealy right now, in case you wanted to know. Hop on a sled and go and explore Montana.